Alright, today we are going to make a cosmic abstract painting. We are working on 16 by 20-inch pre-prime canvas. For adding textures and making painting more dynamic, I am making use of siliconized acrylic caulk for giving 3D look. You can make use of palette knife to create textures. You have to take a little bit of caulking agent and then gently spread it over canvas and add texture with palette knife. I am adding these fine lines to create a cosmic look. You have to bit speedy while making this texture before the caulking agent dries up. I am also trying to add these small dots and random texture in space between the spiral to showcase as if there are dust particles and rock pieces flying around in intergalactic space. As you spiral out, you have to increase the width of texture. I am using blue oil paint here. During this entire painting, a major portion of paint that we will be using would be oil paint. For certain portion, like painting planets, we will be using acrylic paint. Now we will be using metallic golden acrylic paint for showing spiral of dust and rock debris. I am using a flat brush here. I am directly pouring metallic gold paint onto the texture that we previously made and gently spread it over it. We will try to cover all crevices. Now we are ready with blue space and the spiral debris hanging in there. I am going to use metallic silver acrylic paint to show highlights around golden spiral and add more depth to the painting. I have also added few shades of darker blue color in between spirals. Now we will add stars to canvas. You have to pick a little bit of white paint onto a rounded brush and then just tap it to get desired results. You have to gently keep tapping repeatedly to get density of stars. We will start off the process of painting planets. We will pour some acrylic white paint onto this ball of thermocol. We will slowly start spreading it evenly onto the surface. We will start from the poles and make our way towards the equator. We will start off in circular fashion, completing one ring at a time, while the white paint beneath is still wet. The idea is to make this ball look like planet Jupiter. As you can see, various types of colors like yellow, orange, red, brown were used to make it look vibrant. We will keep making our way down while carefully blending all these rings. We could have painted this with oil paint, but it would have taken a lot of time to dry, as well as it may get messy while handling this planet. So that is why acrylic paint was chosen for its ease of cleaning. Colors like yellow, orange, red, brown really adds to the vibrancy of this planet. While the paint is still wet, it's good to blend in as much colors as you can to make it look polished. You can also apply a few strokes of water onto it in between to just kind of blend in all these rings. We will try to create effective gases and clouds that usually are present in the atmosphere of a planet. Darker colors really kind of separate out the rings in Jupiter. You have to just keep blending and blending until you are satisfied with the outcomes. It's a rinse and repeat process. We will try to make wavy pattern towards the equator. We are trying to blend in all these rings by adding few brush strokes of water to the surface. We want to show rough weather and storms that exist in the atmosphere of Jupiter. Adding finer details to make it look more realistic. You can add touches of more darker tones onto the surface to give an idea of depth. Just trying to add those tiny clouds. Adding final touches to this giant planet. Remember, more the details, better is the final product. And this is what it looks finally. We will take this small thermocol ball and paint it with blue paint and make it look like planet Earth. We made use of turquoise, dark blue, white colors to make it look like Earth. Now we will try to make sun. We will start off with lemon yellow color and then make multiple layers of other colors like dark yellow, orange, brown, and white on top of it. Now we will add dark yellow color. It's time to add orange on top of it. Now we will add brown color to show some volcanic eruptions. And finally, add some white color to show some fumes and gases in atmosphere. You have to blend all these colors while still wet to give depth of sun. Now we will separate out Jupiter from Sun by cutting this ball in half with a cardboard cutter. We want to keep diameter of Sun smaller, so we will get rid of extra portion of thermocol from Sun. Now we will separate our Earth from Pluto. We want to keep diameter of Pluto looking planet smaller, so we will get rid of this extra portion of thermocol. And now we have all our planets ready, and they can now be pasted onto the canvas at their respective positions. Remember, this is an imaginary abstract painting, so we are not trying to replicate solar system.